All right, so I finally had time this week to work on devpush. What happened is, well, for the past month, it's been traveling to the US. Then I had a couple large releases for some of my other projects, including Pages CMS. And then I released Base Code, which had a lot more interest than I expected from users. So Base Code is a Shadcn UI alternative that is written in purely HTML and CSS. You can go check it out at basecode.basecodui.com. But yeah, altogether, this actually really ate up the past month or so. And I finally got to go back to devpush, which I started 2.5 months ago or so. Um, devpush is basically Vercel, but for Python apps. So whether using FastAPI, Django, or Flask, or any other kind of Python framework, it's all good. You can actually go and use devpush to git commit git push and have your app automatically deployed. Admittedly, it's a lot simpler and not nearly as nice, but that's the idea. So the past week, what did I do? Well, mostly reorganizing a lot of code, cleaning things up. I kind of reworked the deployment process. I kind of like switched back. I was using Nginx and switched to Traffic for the proxy. And yeah, the big one was also moving to FastAPI for server-side events and reworking all the code with HTMX in the front end to actually go and have real-time updates. We're at a place where we have like, just a decent amount of features, or at least it works. So I thought it'd be a good time to go and give you a short demo. So let's go ahead and start a project, create a new project. I've already obviously logged in and installed the app for my personal account. I'm gonna go and search for Flask Basics, which is a boilerplate that I have on my account. As you can see, you have like pretty regular settings here. I'm going to call that Flask test. I could change well, here the preset, I'm going to select Flask because it's a Flask project, but I could change the runtime. I'm going to leave it at Python 3 for now. And I'm going to change the start command because I'm using main as the entry point. I'm going to create that. And we're pretty much ready to deploy. Before that, just a really quick look at the settings. Same stuff as we just saw, including the environment variables that I could just go and add. I could add an environment, for example, staging here. And I'm going to say, for example, all the branches that start with stg dash will be associated with the staging environment. And then the rest of the stuff we've already seen. So let's go ahead and actually deploy something. I'm going to deploy to production. I'm going to select the latest commit from GitHub. And yeah, I'm going to press that button, go ahead. You can see it's, there you go, it's already cloning and it's, well, spin up a container, cloning, getting the dependencies in, writing all the comments that we actually put in the settings, and then there you go, it's already ready. I'm going to click on that link and that's the app. That's the app we just actually deployed. That's pretty much it. There's a few more things, obviously, and some of them pretty nice. I mean, you can actually go and do search, and there's a few more features, but that's really the gist of it. So next week, I'm going to be working on getting the production setup ready on probably AWS or GCP. I'm not sure yet, maybe on Google. And I'm going to be working as well on the runtime logs, which is like really, I wanted to go and add this actually fairly quickly. I think it's quite useful. And yeah, as soon as it's up and running, I'll be onboarding actual users. So if you're interested, you want to try it out, you let me know. And if you have any suggestions or comments, let me know as well. And I'll see you next week.